Hello. Vitalnet lets any user quickly and easily make needed tables. This presentation explains Vitalnet basic table layout and gives examples. What does basic table layout mean? Basic table layout is the basic elements included within any Vitalnet table or any cross-tabulation anywhere. Basic table layout includes the main statistic, the row variable, row sorting, and the column variable. To do any kind of data analysis, you must understand basic table layout. After viewing this presentation, you will understand. Here are two examples of basic table layout. On the left, the main statistic is deaths with race rows and sex columns. On the right, the main statistic is again deaths with year rows and race columns. Each part of the basic table layout is called a table variable. Main statistic such as deaths, row variable such as race rows, row sorting, and column variable such as sex columns. The main statistic is the basic result shown in the table or on a map. For example, number of deaths, death rate per 100,000 people, age-adjusted rate per 100,000 people, birth rate, many more. The options depend on the data set. The main statistic is the basic numerical result. Each data set has its own main statistics. For example, only birth data has cesarean rates. Some main statistics are more complex, such as age-adjusted rates and standardized mortality ratios. Vitalnet automatically calculates the main statistic correctly, preventing errors that might otherwise creep in. And Vitalnet clearly explains each main statistic, along with example calculations. Rows and columns are confusing to some users. Rows go horizontal, left to right. Columns go vertical, up and down. In the example, the race rows go sideways. A row for white, a row for black, etc. The sex columns go up and down. A column for male and a column for female. Every table has a row variable. The example shown has race rows, white row, black row, etc. Or the row variable could be year rows, birth weight rows, cause of death rows, many more options. Each data set has different data variables. Vitalnet lets you set rows to any data variable within a data set. Here are two examples. On the left, row variable is race. On the right, row variable is year. You can use any data variable for the rows. Rows can be sorted or not. The default is unsorted rows, as shown in the example. You can sort rows from high to low result or from low to high result. Here are row sorting examples. Unsorted rows, the areas are in natural order. Rows sorted from high to low result. Public Health Region 3 has 9350 deaths, the highest number, so is the first row. Every table has a column variable. The example shown has sex columns. Male column, female column, or column variable could be year columns, area columns, race columns, many more choices. Each data set has different data variables. Vitalnet lets you set columns to any data variable within the data set. Single row or column is a special case. Table with a single row. Table with a single column. It is often useful to make a table with a single row or column, for example, to make a pie chart. Vitalnet prevents conflicts. For example, it does not make any sense to have race rows with race columns. And it does not make any sense to have age rows with age-adjusted death rates. There are other conflict situations that you will encounter while analyzing data. Vitalnet guides you to correct any conflict before making output. Vitalnet will not let you make garbage output. In summary, we have covered Vitalnet basic table layout. The main statistic is the basic result or indicator, such as crude death rate. Rows, row sorting, and columns define the basic layout of any cross-tabulation. Vitalnet prevents you from making nonsense output, such as race rows with race columns. Multi-tables allow you to automatically generate a table series. Multi-tables are described in a separate presentation and on the ehdp.com website. Thank you for watching the presentation. I'd like to say a little about Vitalnet software. Vitalnet is a commercial off-the-shelf data warehouse data query solution. Vitalnet makes it easy to analyze and disseminate any large complex data set. Vitalnet quickly and easily makes beautiful tables, charts, and maps. Vitalnet is specially customized for you and your data. The flat rate license includes full support, including data importing and programming. Thank you for listening and watching. We would be happy to provide any additional information you might want. Please visit the ehdp.com website to learn more why Vitalnet is the best value for your organization, or to use Vitalnet with real data to quickly and easily make beautiful output. Fill out the website contact form or call us. We would like to get to know you, help you make best use of your data, and help you meet or exceed your data analysis, data dissemination goals. Thanks again.